Good morning, my dear student. Let's start today's class. Last class we start the topic written methods of multiplication from page number 16. Now look at here. Here there is an example question related to question number 5. This question number 5 is the homework for you, so that I will explain one example question. A rectangle is made up of squares. All are squares with sides 4.3 centimeter. That means one side is 4.3. That means if this is 4.3, this also 4.3. This also 4.3. This also 4. That means all the sides are 4.3 each square. Okay. What is the length of the rectangle? So if you look at the length here, if you look at like this way, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares, and if you look at like this way, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the small less numbers of the squares, here more number of square. So which is more number of square, you can consider as a length. Which is more number of squares, you can consider as a length. So what is the length of the rectangle? 4.3 multiplied by 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 and 1 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. So 21.5 centimeter. Otherwise you can write it 4.3 plus 4.3 plus 4.3 plus 4.3 plus 4.3. You can do it like this also, no problem. But this is a better one. Directly multiply by 5. What is the width of the rectangle? The width will be how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 multiplied by 4.3 multiplied by 4. So 4 3s are 12, 2 and 1 carry, 4 4 the 16 plus 1, 17. Or you can write it 4.3 plus 4.3 plus 4.3 plus 4. That means 4 times. Okay. Now question number 6 from your book, page number 17. Look at here. Here what is the question? Use only the digits 2, 5 and 7 to complete this calculation. So here is the 2 boxes multiply by 3. Here also 2 boxes. And 2 boxes means the small number, not very big number. So you can consider here the small number. What is the small number? 25. So if I multiply 3 5s are 15 and here is 5. So 1 carry, right? 3 5s are 15. 5 and 1 carry, 3 2 is 6 plus 1, how much? 75. That means you have to use these numbers. It can be repeated because 3 numbers here, 4 boxes, it can be repeated, but you have to use these numbers only, not any other number. So how I understand why should I take 52? Because here only 2 boxes. That means I should take it here smallest number. So the smallest number is what? 25. Otherwise if I take it 27, it's bigger than that one. And also if I take it 27 multiplied by 3, how much? Check it. Example, if you don't confuse, you can check it. So 3 7 is 21 and is 2 carry. 3 2 is 6 plus 2. 3 2 is 6 plus 2, how much? 81. So we don't have 1 and 8 here. So we take it 25. Next number, use only the numbers 1, 5 and 7 to complete this number. No, here the right side is 3 boxes. That means the big number. So I start with the big number, means I can take it 51. So take it example 51 multiply by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 5. There is 1 and 5, but we don't have 3. Then I can consider what? 57. Then I consider what? 57 with the 3. So 3 7s are 21, 1 and 2. 3 5 are 15 plus 2, 17. So 171. So 171 is there. Okay. Now the next one is what? Here, write what the missing number could be. 750, the smallest one. The easiest way is 75 multiplied by 10. Like 20, what can I write it? 2 multiplied by 10. 30, I can write 3 multiplied by 10. 120, I can write it 12 multiplied by 10. So this is the easiest way, but the more also possible. Like here, if I start with the 2 table, that means 2 times 375 is 750. 3 table also possible. 3 times 250 is 750. 5 table also possible. 5 times 150 is 750. 6 table also. 6 times 125 is 750. So 15 multiplied by 50 is 750. 25 multiplied by 30 is 750. This many type of calculations possible for the 750. But the easiest way, you can remember 75 multiplied by 10. That is the easiest way to remember. Okay. Now the next one is what? Use the digits 4, 6, 8 to make the largest product. So largest product, simply you can remember in 4, 6, 8, which is the bigger table? 8. Which is the bigger table? 8. So we multiply the table by 8. That means we need the big table is 8. So I write it 8. Then remaining 4, 6. So 46 and 64. Which is the big number? 64. So I take it here 64. Then multiply 8 4 is 32, 2 and 3. 8 6 is 48. 48 plus 3 is 51. So the largest product is what? Largest product is 512. What is the meaning of product? When you multiply any number, the answer is called product. Example, suppose I write it here 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to what? 18. So 18 is called product. 18 is called product. 15 is called what? Product. When you multiply two numbers, the answer is called product. So next one is what? What is the smallest one? Right or no? Smallest product. So in this one, which is the smallest number? 4. So 4 is the table. Next remaining 6 and 8. So 68 and 86. So which is the smallest? 68. So I added 68. Then multiply. 4 8s are 32. 2 and 3. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3 27. So just we have to remember larger product means we first of all we consider the big table. So here 4 and 6 and 8, which is the big table? 8. 8, then we need the here 2-digit number. So 2-digit number 46 or 64, which is the bigger one? 64. So we consider 64. In the smallest product, we have to check the first of all the smallest value. So that is the smallest product. 4, then remaining 6 8, that means 68 and 86, which is the smallest? 68. So 68. Now the last one here, there is the alphabets A B C D, each represent the 8 different digit, different number. Now I will start with the table 2. Why I cannot start with the table 1? If I write it here 1, that means A here also 1. So if I multiply 1, again here I will get it 1 only. But here C and here is A. That means A alphabet should be same. That means alphabet A the same value, alphabet B should be the same value, alphabet C is the same value, alphabet D is the same value. So I start with the 2. A I start with the 2 means here is also 2, here also 2, and B will be 3. Then multiply 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, then 2 2s are 4. Now that means what is the value of A is 2, B is 3, C is 4, D is 6. So how to remember? You can start with the 1. If I start with the 1 means if I write it here 1, B should be 2, then here is the 1. So if I multiply 1 multiply with the 1 what? 1 only. 1 multiply with 3 is 3 only, but here B, here D. That means it should be different number. In the question only they said that different digit, okay? So your homework is page number 17, question number 5, A and B. Question number 5, A and B. This is your homework. I hope you understand today's classwork. If you have any more question, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.